Good morning viewers, welcome back to Liputan 6 Siang with me, Nadia Rahman.
And I, Nova Septianisi. To support her children as a single mother, Ms. Sumarti started a business making tempeh chips under the name Matahari Tempeh Chips.
Thanks to her determination in selling tempeh chips, Ms. Sumarti has now success in marketing her chips to Parius region.
Matahari Tempeh Chips business was established in 1988. It is a family business created by Mrs. Sumarti, which is now continued by her daughter, Mrs. Sulis. The tempeh chips production began because Mrs. Sumarti was a single parent, so she eventually opened a business to support her family and children by producing and selling Matahari Tempeh Chips. Mrs. Sumarti had no employees for approximately 3 years. Then it grew from 1, 2, and now there are 14 employees. During the early production period, Mrs. Sumarti only made chips 2 days before market day and then sold them on market day. Currently, Mrs. Sulis produces chips using 50 kg of soybeans or about 45 to 50 bags per day. The turnover still fluctuates around 750,000 rupiah to 1 million rupiah per month.
One of our team members is currently on vacation.
Hello Pandu, how are things over there?
Yes, I'm now standing at Matahari Tempeh Chips. When was the keripik tempe Matahari business established and who founded?
Keripik tempe ini berdiri tahun 1988, kemudian didirikan oleh ibu kita, yaitu Ibu Sumarti. Kemudian baru berpindah tangan ke ibu itu tahun 2010.
How long did Mrs. Sumarti operate the business without employees and how many employees are there now?
Ibu Sumarti itu mendirikan keripik tempe Matahari itu dibikin sendiri itu sekitar 1 sampai 4 tahun. Kemudian memiliki karyawan 1. Terakhir berpindah tangan ke kita itu memiliki karyawan 4 orang dan sekarang 14 orang karyawan.
How did the production process of tempe Matahari in the early days compare to now?
Kalau dulu ibu itu bikin keripik tempe itu mulai dari 3 kilo. Prosesnya itu sekali bikin 3 kilo tapi itu nggak tiap hari. Biasanya ibu bikin itu cuma tiap hari pasar gitu. Jadi seminggu bisa bikin 4 kali atau 3 kali gitu. Tapi itu berproses juga terus 5 kilo, 10 kilo. Terakhir kita bikin itu udah sekitar 20-an kilo ya seharinya. 20 kilo kedelai, tapi kalau sekarang udah sekitar 50 sampai 60 kilo kedelai. Itu kalau dibikin tempe bisa sampai 40 sampai 50 kardus tiap hari.
Thank you, Sis Sulis, for sharing your business.
Sama-sama.